On this video right here, I'm going to make a video on how to put the torsion bar back on the trunk to hold the trunk. The thing is, the easiest way to do it is going to be tie this lid up. I was trying to hold it up earlier, I was having a bunch of trouble. I tied it up. You can use a rope or a cramp, whichever. Just tie it up so you don't have to be fighting it. Now, when you come in here, these are the torsion bars right here. And you got some little, right there where you can put a little, you want to take them off a little bit, you just pop right out. And they have some up here, but of course mine are already off. So I'm just gonna fold this down right quick so you can get to the bars. Same thing here. You're gonna have some there. There was one here, it's already off. Just take yours off and then you're good to go. And there's that torsion, the torsion bar, it runs right there. It goes there and then it goes all the way to the back over here. Okay, let me show you how. Okay, the one on this side right here, it's on the middle. At least mine are in the middle. I don't know, depending what car you got. But it's gonna be in the middle, so remember, go back in the middle. The one on this side right here, on your right side, facing to the front, is gonna go all the way to the back part of it. Same thing, the one on your left, gonna go all the way to the back. It's gonna go on this clip right here. And then you got this little U-y thing right here. Anyway, let's show you how to pull it off. Remember, this one right here is in the front. It's going to be on the bottom part of the lip. This lip back here. And these bars, they come off pretty easy. Once you got this lid held up like that, it's easy after that. You're going to grab this right here and just pull. It just comes right off easy. It comes off pretty easy. It's because the way I was doing it right there. And then see, now it's loose right there. Once you got it off, that one's right there. Take this one off. Just pull, and it comes loose. Now it's loose. See right here? This swivel, so it just came right off. So there's the torsion bar right there. Just get it over in here. Get it back in here to put it in there. All you're gonna do is put it right there, see? You go like that. That's pretty easy. The magnet's catching it from the speaker there. But the same thing, both of them, that one's off. This one comes off too. There it is right there. But like I said, it's being held by the magnet right there holding it. So I don't know exactly. They're like replacing brand new. Someone requested the video. That's why I'm making it right quick. So you're gonna come in like that with that one, and then with this one over here, you're gonna come in on that side. See, that's what's holding right there. That. Anyway, you just maneuver it in here to get it past these wires. Make sure you get behind the wires when you put it in there. And after that, it's pretty much pretty easy. Because, okay, you just bring the bar in here. You want to put the bar right there, like that. Let me get this camera right here. Hold it up. See if you can see it, man. It's pretty sunny out here, man. Might have been making a video at the wrong time, but wanted to get it done right quick. Somebody was requesting it. Okay, you're just gonna put the bar up there, like that, and put this right here. Look, it's gonna go in there. It's gonna go in there like that, just right there. You got that part already. Right here is being held with the magnet, but see, just put it right there. Now bring it over here. Bring it right there, put it towards the bottom. Then when you get on this side over here, okay, we put it there. See, it comes off. It's pretty easy, man. So the magnet keep pulling it off. Okay, let me see. Let's start from right here. That sun's killing me, but I think you can still see it right there. Anyways, you're gonna push it down, put it right there, you're good to go. Just clamp it in like that. Now come back here, put this, hook it up right there. On this part right here, see this part goes right here in the back. The easiest way to do this, if you try to put it in like this, see how I got it in there? You put it in the little slots, and then you try to put this over here, you're gonna have trouble, man. Cause look, you don't want to go. You're gonna have trouble doing that, so don't do that. When you get, don't put in the little slots. Go past the slots back there, and then you're gonna pull them forward. That's what you want to do, because somebody's having trouble. That's more likely what they're having trouble with. Okay, instead of putting them in this little slot right here, instead of putting them in this little slot right there, don't put them in there. Go past it. Go past it. And see, now you got plenty of room. See that? Put it in the hole right there, then pull it forward. Look, you're in. Then you can just come back here if it popped out and just push it back in there. But you see how easy that was to put in? And when I first tried it, I had trouble because I kept putting it in here first. That's the mistake. You kept putting it in there first, and when you try to put it up here, it don't want to fit. It goes too far. You don't want to. It's over here scraping. And I seen a video where some guy drilled a hole right here and made it bigger to get it in there. He did not have that hole drilled in there like that when they put it in there. He shouldn't have drilled the hole. So instead of putting it right here, when you first put it on, make sure it's like back here somewhere, hanging back here. When it's hanging back here, you can put this in there, and then you can pull this forward a little bit. And watch, we're gonna do it with the next one now. We're gonna get this one. We're gonna do this side now. Same thing, remember? I told you. Just bring it in the trunk. Put this part first. You're gonna go in like that with that. I brought it back out here to show you. They all this way. You can go in facing that way, the way I got it laying down. See, I'm going straight in like that. You're gonna go in there like that. Remember what I told you? Put this first. You want to put that first right there. That's already in there. Then when you get this over here, can see that. Okay, same thing right here. Just bring the bar, make sure it's hanging right there where it can hang in the middle like that. Just put it right there. You're good to go. See how we did that? Now we're gonna come to this side. Remember, this was the part that I was telling you was tricky, that people probably having trouble with. Now you're gonna grab this. Remember, you're gonna go past it. You're gonna go past it over here. Don't put it right there in the slot yet, because you'll never get it in here. Let's see if I can get all that in camera. Yeah. Don't put it in here first, because if you put it in there first, here's what'll happen. Look, you'll never get it to go in the slot, man. Get this, go past it. Once you go past it, now you got all the room. Look at that, all that right there. But look, it just slides right in by itself. Once you get in that hole, it slides right in by itself. It's good to go. And then you just put these back there in the back. Y'all get the idea out there. Here, I can try to get it from back here. I'm trying to get it with the camera, but I already got the part that y'all needed done. See, just pop it right there. But you see, it was easy to get in. Very easy to get in. Of course, I put a strap to. But easy, like I said, once I had something to hold it with, because I was trying it earlier without something holding it, and it was hard, man. But look, there we go. Whoop! I locked myself out of there. But it got the job done. There, I popped the trunk back open. But you see, that was pretty easy actually. Like I said, if anybody's having trouble, I'm sure it's with this piece right here that they're fighting. Because they probably can't get this in, and they're like, man, I can't get this in, I can't get this in. It's easy. You set this up like a puzzle, it just goes right in. Blink, blink. And this part, like I said, when you put this in, you're going to put it in, don't put it in a slot, go behind it. First put it in here and then pull it forward to there, and it's so easy. Now I'll try to do it real quick without talking. Hold on. Alright, I'm gonna do it right quick. Okay, I hope. Tie the lid up, that's what you want to do. Or put 2x4 or something. Tell you the truth, it's gonna be better just to tie the lid up. Okay, just come in here. To remove them, like I said, very easy. Just pull. Pull fast and it'll pop right out. See that? It just popped right out. And then it comes off right here. Right there. See, it's off. That's your torsion bar. You're gonna do both of them like that, like I said. Okay, when you're gonna first put it on, first put this part on right here. See how that is? It's on there. Get this. You want to get that on there. You're good to go right there. Remember, this is the main part. Do not put it in there first. Back it up. I'm trying not to make the video too long, but I want the people to see exactly what I'm thinking they're having trouble with. Remember, you're gonna get this piece first and put it. You're gonna push this. Once you put it on the other side, like I just showed you, you're you're gonna push this. Do not put it in the slot first. Put it behind it. When you put it behind it right there, then look, you can come up and it goes in real easy. See how easy that was? And then it pops forward by itself. It's right in there. And then you come back here. You just put that up there, and you're in. You're completely in already. And you just pick your stuff up. And of course, put the little screws or whatever back in that you took off. Undo your rope, ratchet, whatever you use. Of course, I use the ratchet strap. And there it is, right there. See? Thank you for requesting this video, and if y'all request more videos, I'm glad to make them for y'all. Subscribe if you would, please. I would like more subscribers. I'm trying to get enough subscribers to get paid for my video because I don't got enough. I need more subscribers. I gotta have 1,000, and I only got 800. So if people can help me out. Like I said, it's very easy. Subscribe and like my videos, please. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Peace out, man. Remember, it's pretty easy if you just go ahead and pass that little slot up at the end, and it's pretty easy. Thank you for watching. Later.